Hello, fourth graders. I'm quickly going to go over your Google form that is the lesson assigned to you today. This is very similar to the Google form that we did earlier, except the artwork has changed. Remember, we're going over the three different types of balance: symmetrical balance, asymmetrical balance, and radial balance. If you forget and you want to review those, you can click back to the assignment labeled Bitmoji Art Room, and that will be the Google slides on our lesson of balance, and it does give you a little recap in case you forgot or just need a review. So you need to look down at this image here. It is actually a stained glass window, and you need to decide, is this a work of symmetrical balance, meaning it's the same on both sides? Is it asymmetrical, one area is heavier than another? Or is it radial balance, where everything is arranged evenly and balanced around a central point? And then explain down below why it is you felt that way. Your answer, you just click right here, and it doesn't have to be super long, but it does need to be complete sentences. You are fourth graders. So you need to choose whatever form of balance you think it is. I did say example up here. It says, I think this is symmetrical balance because, and then I would explain myself. Again, that doesn't necessarily mean it is symmetrical. I'm just giving you an example of how you would answer this question here. When you are finished, please put your name and you're going to write Mr. Rupee or your classroom teacher, right? You do need to write your name. I had a couple kids try to slide one by me and do like a plus and send it in. This does automatically collect your email, so I can figure out who it answered the worksheet, but it just makes things easier if you just write your name, please. And I wanted to make sure you understood that this is not something that I'm looking at as a pass fail if you get it wrong or anything. There's not really necessarily a wrong answer. What I'm really just looking for is to figure out what your understanding is on balance and if I need to go over it a little bit more with you. So I don't want anyone to panic and get worked up. I don't know the answer and I'm not sure. That's okay. I want you to do your best, make a choice, and explain your thinking behind that. If it's not the right type of symmetrical balance, or not symmetrical, but I'm reading the word, that's why. If it's not the right type of balance, that's something that we can go over together as a class or in a meet sometime, and just make sure that we're all clear on the different types. So please, 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 please do not stress out about this. This is more for me just to gauge what my students are understanding rather than whether your grade right or wrong. That's not how I'm grading this. I'm grading this as if you participate or not. So if you are a person who's not getting this into me, you don't finish this, then it ends up being a 0, right? So that would be how you would not get a grade. Otherwise, I'm just marking it. You finished it or you did not. So please make sure you to try your best. And when you are done, you just click submit. And again, that will send it automatically to me. And that is it for your assignment today. Again, please look back to the slides, balance and art, if you are not sure on the different types of balance. That's going to explain it really well for you. I hope you guys are having a good week, and hopefully we'll be back to school come next week. So we'll see. All right, guys. See ya.